Hi all you lovely people, welcome to Food, Fashion and Fun with Sonal. So today I'm going to show you how you can style a sari over a lehenga choli. Well, sari as a sari after sometimes gets boring. Here's how you can jazz it up the sari you have worn a million times. So let's get started. In this first way of styling, we'll start from the pallu or the more adorned end of the sari. Start pleating. Make sure the pleats are neat. And place it over your right shoulder. And now we'll secure it with a safety pin. Now we'll take the other end of the sari and start pleating until it creates a beautiful fall. I recommend broader pleats to avoid the bulge look. Next, we'll tuck the pleats at the back. You can secure it with a safety pin if you like. I chose not to. Now take the corner of the particular end and tuck it across the front like so. But I preferred the another way. Now we'll make sure it's not too bulgy at the back there. Now place the end of the pallu as you please, and you can either secure it with a safety pin or adorn your waistline with a beautiful waist chain like here, or both. And you're ready for the mandatory twirl. Hang on! Let's complete the look with another gorgeous accessory. Ta-da! Now the other way to style the pallu, which is my favorite, is to remove the waist chain and safety pin, let the pallu hang loose, and securing it with the safety pin again. This is more my style. By the way, which one you liked more? Do let me know in the comments below, alright? This way you don't have to shell out big bucks for frequent occasions. You can put your saris to use in a new way every single time. If you like this video, do like and share this video, and don't forget to give me a follow on all my social media handles at Food, Fashion and Fun with Sonal. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care you guys.